But I walked down the line and I shook the hose, and that worked. Seems like there's ice somewhere. Oh no. Sweet, okay. Now I'm full blast. That was crazy. It wasn't flowing there, but I walked down the line and I shook the hose, and that worked. 37% battery. Hey, hose, man, these hose connectors are just junk. Like, I don't know how you can mess up a hose connector, but they seem to leak really bad. Alright, so here I am at the side of the trailer filling up water. I have my filter pack here. This is the old triple filter style, and it goes right into the holding tank. Now, this holding tank's kind of funny because it shoots water out. I don't know if I caught that or not, but when the tank's not quite full, it starts shooting water out the vent. First time I did that, I thought it was full. Well, it wasn't full yet, so I know once this thing spouts, oh, it's full. Shoot. Wait, is it full or is it just half full? I'm pretty sure it's full. Okay, it's full. That's what it's like every day to fill up. I mean, it's not a huge deal, right? But everything starts to freeze. It's just going to be that much more likely that at some point I'm stuck without water. So I have this whole plan that I've been talking about. And if I don't freeze up when the weather hits this lower temperature, then I have satisfaction at hanging out here throughout the winter, because I have other things I can do. Like, I can route the generator exhaust to blow underneath the trailer. That shouldn't be a health hazard, I don't think. The trailer's solid. It's not getting any fresh air from underneath the trailer. That would be another way of extending how long I could stay here. But right now, this water situation is so, instead of doing a little bin, I'm thinking about just doing a shed and actually another generator, because a backup generator is kind of crucial. I can get another generator more powerful if I don't buy one. Like, this one's a special one that's like for running in RV parks and stuff, and it's super quiet and really well insulated, and that all costs a lot of extra money that I don't really need to have that again. But having a backup generator in this situation where I'm kind of relying on generators for my existence, then another $500, not even actually, it's actually a little cheaper than that, but for another generator that's actually more powerful, because it doesn't have all the insulation that this one has, the noise canceling stuff. But I'm going to put that right in the shed and vent it out of the shed. But in the shed means that I won't have to worry about anything in the shed freezing. And I can take that exhaust. Right now I use this generator for more than one thing. So I can purposely wire in that other generator and get the heat out of it to blow underneath the trailer. And I bet if I do that, that'll probably guarantee me not freezing up, period. At any temperature, probably. I could probably roll out here indefinitely. So that's probably what I'm going to do. Because the alternative is packing up and going down south. And if I do that, then all the money I spend on that trip will be pretty much just for nothing other than basic living. So, yeah. Try not to buy stuff that I can't use over and over again. That's crucial. I don't want to buy a bunch of stuff that's just for this or that. But having a generator, backup generator, is kind of a, off-grid thing. So not like I'll just use it once or one winter while I'm trying to do it. It'll be there next to the batteries if they ever get too low. I can just charge them right up.